जय गुरुदेव सर।
जय गुरुदेव मैम, जय गुरुदेव। आज हमारे साथ हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सीपीआर मिस्टर वी आर खरे जी साथ में जुड़ेंगे। तो सभी जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं सभी से निवेदन है, ऑल आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू प्लीज मेंटेन द साइलेंस, मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन। एंड ऑलरेडी आई हैव जस्ट सीन दैट 3 दिन से ऑलरेडी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि सभी लोग क्वाइट और इजी वे में सभी लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं मीटिंग, और इट इज गुड एंड दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन, आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। महर्षि जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये एक उसका क्वालिटी भी है। इट इज अ क्वालिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट ऑल आर कूल एंड काम। सभी लोग शांत, और because this is the effect of the meditation, transcendental meditation. This is the effect of the transcendental meditation. So at least twice you have to do the meditation. Twice मतलब 2 बार दिन में तो आपको meditation करना ही चाहिए. When you will continuously practice the TM and TM Siddhi program, 100% it is true that personally I am saying, it means that it is my personal experience that we will feel very happy, we will feel very cool and calm, and whatever the work we are doing, perfection will be there, perfection will be there. So try to do the meditation, not try but you must do the meditation whenever you are at home. और महर्षि जी का जो भावातीत ध्यान है उसके बारे में मैं आपको एक चीज और बता देता हूँ कि ये कहीं भी किया जा सकता है। इसके लिए कोई स्पेशल कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होती है। नो स्पेशल कंडीशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड। ओके, सो TM and TM Siddhi program. So we must practice TM and TM Siddhi program. जैसा भी मैंने बताया था, we have to follow, we have to practice, because by practicing the TM and TM Siddhi program, we can create or we can achieve anything. Whatever we want, we can achieve. So it's my humble request, personal request, or that you have to do the meditation. Ask others also to do the meditation. एंड जब आप दूसरों को, अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बाहर के लोगों को भी अगर बताएंगे, अगर सो आप उनको बताइए, यू जस्ट टेल देम कि हमारा जो मेडिटेशन भावातीत ध्यान वो कितना इफेक्टिव है, हाउ इफेक्टिव इज दिस। तो कोशिश करेंगे। और अभी आज हमारे साथ में हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर श्री वी आर खरे जी, डायरेक्टर CPR, will join the meeting also. Now, I would like to just tell you about the yesterday जो हमने एक प्रोग्राम जो हमारा था, मैं हिंदी में भी बता देता हूँ। कल हमारे एक टीचर थे, उन्होंने ये भी बोला हुआ था कि सर हिंदी में भी बताइए, तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। कल हमारे गुलेरिया सर जो प्रिंसिपल हैं MVM रतनपुर भोपाल, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से यूनिफाइड फील्ड बेस्ड एजुकेशन के बारे में बताया, यूनिफाइड फील्ड चार्ट इन द क्लासरूम के बारे में बताया, एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू SCI कोर्स 1। उन्होंने कुछ जो SCI प्रिंसिपल्स हैं उनके बारे में बताया, नाइसली एक्सप्लेन। और आज हमारे साथ में MVM पन्ना से PK दीक्षित सर हैं, और आज वो हमारे साथ जो शेयर करेंगे टॉपिक्स, वो टॉपिक्स होंगे एजुकेशन एंड इनविंसिबिलिटी, 10 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ आइडियल कम्युनिकेशन एंड बिहेवियर। इन दोनों टॉपिक्स के बारे में आज सर हमें बहुत सारी जानकारी देंगे। सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट अवर रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल सर श्री CK शर्मा सर to say a few words and bless us.
Jai Gurudev to each and everyone, all the principals, and it is for the intimation to each and everybody that our honorable director CPR, Mr. V.R. Khare sir, he has well joined to us, and we welcome him into the group, into the session, and we people feel delighted and well privileged that he has well joined this session. To all principals, they know, and to teachers also, I want to well intimate that our director CPR, sir, he has been well retired from the Indian Forest Services in the post of secretary. He was well reached to the higher post. In a simple word, in one sentence, I would like to tell him about him that he is a very simple, बहुत सरल और सहज, धीर and गंभीर, but he is a man of vast experiences. बहुत वास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस के व्यक्ति हैं, बहुत बड़े सीनियर ऑफिसर्स हैं. नो, ही इज इन अवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट इज ग्रेट फॉर्च्यून टू अवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. And now I think so in this session, I would like to well intimate to the sir that we have well started this session from the 28th December, and it will well end up on the 5th January. Now the second, yes. Now the second course will well begin from the 15th January and we will end up on the 21st. Sir. सर मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपको कि आज जो है 4th डे है और इसमें हमारे दमोह के प्रिंसिपल मिस्टर दीक्षित जी और गुलेरिया जी जो रतनपुर के प्रिंसिपल हैं, और आज जो हमारे पन्ना के प्रमोद कुमार दीक्षित जी हैं वो सेशन लेंगे.
हेलो.
और इन द सीक्वेंस वे मोस्ट ऑफ द हेलो.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव. लेट यू वेट सर. हेलो. जी सर. हेलो.
ये सर आपकी आवाज आ रही है सर.
हाँ सर, मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा था कि सभी प्रिंसिपल्स इसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल्स रिसोर्स पर्सन है और आज हमारे पन्ना के प्रिंसिपल रिसोर्स पर्सन है और लगभग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग जो वो कोर्स है हमारा पार्ट 1 का वो हम कर रहे हैं. और आज आपने हमारा रिक्वेस्ट you have accepted our request to well offer blessings to each and everyone. So we are grateful sir. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप हम लोगों को ब्लेसिंग जरूर ऑफर करें और शुभकामनाएं दें. जी सर. जय गुरुदेव to all principal and all the teachers. I think so there are the 100 people, 98 people they have well joined sir. And now I would like to well intimate to the principal and all especially the teachers that जो हमारे डायरेक्टर CPR सर हैं, he has got the vast experiences. He has been well retired from as a secretary from the Indian Forest Services. He is a very simple, dheer, gambhir person, but he has got the vast experiences, and it is a great fortune, you can say, and luck to our organization that he is in our organization as a well mentor or as a well एल्डर और एज अ वेल सीनियर डायरेक्टर. हम सर आपका स्वागत करते हैं इस सेशन में. और ये 28 तारीख से हमने शुरू किया है एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल्स आर द रिसोर्स पर्संस. इसमें दीक्षित जी दमोह के और गुलेरिया जी रतनपुर के उन्होंने क्लास ली है और आज पन्ना के जो हमारे प्रमोद दीक्षित जी हैं वो क्लास लेंगे. आने वाले समय में निमकर मैडम, रेणु राय मैडम भी क्लास लेंगे सर. और 100 पीपल दे हैव वेल ज्वाइंड. हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं. वी आर फॉर्चुनेट दैट यू हैव वेल एक्सेप्टेड आवर रिक्वेस्ट. वी आर ग्रेटफुल सर. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू दैट हैव shower the blessings to we people. Today is the last day of the 2020. Tomorrow will be the new year also, so we need your blessings sir. Welcome sir.
Thank you sir. जय गुरुदेव सभी को. जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर. जय गुरुदेव. जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
अब
सर.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
3 मिनट में निकल जाएंगे.
जी सर, शुरू करिए.
बहुत अच्छा. आप सभी का स्वागत है. जो CK शर्मा साहब ने ये आयोजित किया है उसमें बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है आपका. मैं सबसे पहले आप सबसे निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि हम एक बहुत ही महान संस्था के अभिन्न अंग हैं. मैं दोनों शब्द, 2 विशेषण इसलिए बोल रहा हूं. एक तो महान संस्था और दूसरा अभिन्न अंग. महान संस्था इसलिए है क्योंकि यह कोई ऐसी संस्था नहीं है पूरे देश में या पूरे विश्व में जो कि आपके 200% कल्याण के लिए चिंता करती है. हम सब जब यहाँ आते हैं कार्यालय में या विद्यालय में तो भावातीत ध्यान जो महर्षि महेश योगी जी ने सिखाया हम सबको, पूरी दुनिया को, उसका अभ्यास करते हैं सुबह शाम. वो आपके आंतरिक मन की क्रियाओं को शांत करता है. आंतरिक मन को शांत करके आपको भौतिक लाभ भी देता है. हम सब जानते हैं, इसको दोबारा रिपीट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. परंतु जो आंतरिक लाभ भी प्राप्त होता है 100% और बाहरी भी होता है 100%. ये बहुत अच्छी संस्था के आप सब अभी हैं, अंग हैं। और अभिन्न अंग इसलिए मैं कहता हूं बार बार, क्योंकि आपके ऊपर ही, आपके प्रयास, आपकी मेहनत और आपके प्रयत्नों के कारण ही ये संस्था आगे बढ़ रही है और भविष्य में भी आगे बढ़ती रहेगी। हमारे बच्चे जो हैं, जो इस विद्यालय के विद्यार्थी हैं, वो सब दुनिया के जितने भी विद्यार्थी उनसे बिल्कुल भिन्न हैं। चाहे तो वे अपने विद्या अध्ययन में आगे हैं सबसे, दूसरा जो भी काम करते हैं उसमें चूंकि भावती ध्यान करके करते हैं, उसमें उनको सफलता मिलती है बहुत कम प्रयासों से। ये बहुत ही अच्छा दो चीज है। और खत्म करने, समाप्त करने के पहले मैं हमेशा एक सभी को याद दिलाता हूँ एक चीज। आप सब पहले जब विद्यार्थी होंगे तब आपने विज्ञान पढ़ा होगा, तो हम सब जानते हैं कि जो कार्बन है उसी के दो रूप हैं, एक ग्रेफाइट है और एक डायमंड है। सभी सहमत हैं इससे? शर्मा साहब?
यस सर।
ग्रेफाइट और जो डायमंड है दोनों ही कार्बन के रूप में।
जी सर, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है सर। जी जी सर।
तो जहाँ ग्रेफाइट सबसे नरम चीज है दुनिया में, वहीं डायमंड सबसे कड़ी चीज है। ग्रेफाइट सबसे सस्ता है, डायमंड सबसे, शर्मा साहब,
जी जी सर,
ग्रेफाइट सबसे सस्ता है, वहीं डायमंड सबसे
महंगा है।
महंगा है।
जी सर।
तो अंतर क्या है दोनों में? अंतर बताइए ना, कोई भी सर हो, टीचर हो, मैडम लोग हो, कोई अंतर बता सकते हैं क्या अंतर?
से डायमंड काफी हार्ड होता है और जो ग्रेफाइट है वो सॉफ्ट।
ग्रेफाइट सबसे नरम चीज है और डायमंड सबसे हार्ड। अंतर किस कारण से अंतर है दोनों में? है तो कार्बन ही दोनों।
सर डायमंड तराशा जाता है।
नहीं, तराश भी लिया। अंतर बेसिक क्या है? साइंस वाले बताओ।
डायमंड में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्री नहीं होता सर। डायमंड में सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सारे एटम जो बाउंडेड रहते हैं।
चलिए मैं बताता हूँ शर्मा साहब।
जी सर। जी,
डायमंड जो है 4 मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर है।
जी सर।
फोर मॉलिक्यूल,
क्रिस्टल है तो 4 मॉलिक्यूल, और ग्रेफाइट है 3 मॉलिक्यूल।
जी सर।
तो हम सब, आपको और हमको, विद्यार्थियों को 3 मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर से 4 मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर में कन्वर्ट करना है।
राइट राइट सर।
ग्रेफाइट से डायमंड बनाना है।
राइट सर।
मेरा आप सबको यही संदेश है। आप इस प्रयास में सफल हों। फिर से आप सबकी सफलता की कामना करते हुए आप सभी को जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपको भी नए वर्ष की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सर, और आपका आशीर्वाद हमारी संस्था हम सब लोगों पर हमेशा बना रहे सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। जय गुरुदेव सर। Thank you to all listeners, principals, and teachers. We are very grateful that we listened to our well-renowned and well-experienced personality. He is our director in our CPR department. He has got the vast experiences. और ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत अच्छा है कि आज के अंतिम दिन में उनका एक अच्छा एक अनुभव हमें मिला। Now we should well continue to our that session. उनका आपने आज एक नया ईमेल देखा होगा, साइंस ओलंपियाड का उन्होंने दिया है, तो आप लोग शायद उसके लिए भी कोशिश करेंगे। और मैंने कहा था कि उन्होंने एक और सर्कुलर दिया है कि नाउ आवर ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन इज गोइंग टू वेल मेंटेन द साइलेंस फ्रॉम 1st of January फॉर द 7 days. So I think you might all be knowing about it. Now, okay, Dixit ji, you are welcome to take the session. We are really grateful that all the principals who took the session, it was wonderful. And now today we also hope that Pramod Dixit ji, who is our principal of he would also like to give you the complete satisfaction within the knowledge within the topic allotted to me. Okay, sir, please begin your session.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev to all. So, let me start because about 20 minutes remaining for this.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir.
And this is great fortune to me that we today received the blessings from our Honorable Director CPR also.
Right, right.
So first I go ahead on the lotus feet of Gurudev and Maharshi Ji. Respected Regional Coordinator MCD course and all respected principals, respected teachers, and especially all staff who are facilitating technically. As we all are the meditator and doing regular practice of TM and TM Siddhi program. And by doing so, enlivening levels of our awareness. And only because of that, we are here in the training program of Maharshi Consciousness Based Education, which is the system of complete education. And it is a great boon to the mankind. In the earlier sessions, we have already discussed a lot about it. As in the very beginning, by our coordinator, Sri C.K. Sharma sir, explained very well the missing element in the education. And the second session, it was basic component of the MCBE and the School of Invincibility, and it was explained by the principal Maharshi Vidya Mandir Damod. And very nice session was delivered by our respected principal Ratanpur MVM, Mr. Guleria sir, and unified field and introduction of SCI was explained very well, diagrammatically and with supportive examples also. Now this is the fourth day. As you know, MCB training, we are in the fourth day of this program. And the today's topic is, if you see the screen, I have already shared, the topic is education and invincibility. So, in fact, what is invincibility in the education? Maharshi speaks a lot about it, because in the modern education, something is lacking, and it has been already explained by our beginning session. So before starting today's topic, I would request to all the respected participant teachers that after finish of each topic, please you have to prepare your most appealing point in 1 or 2 sentences on, not more than that, so that more number of participants may have this opportunity to represent their appealing points. As Sharma sir told in the very beginning, first day, Jo iksha kariho man mahi, Prabhu Pratap kach durlabh nahi. So, if we are going through a proper system of education, definitely we will be a perfect individual, perfect society, and we make a perfect nation. And likewise, the world will be a perfect world. So what is missing in the education? Because we are already in the education, already teaching to the students are getting their degrees and getting the jobs in different areas, different field of life, and they spend the life likewise. But really, are they educated? There is a question that they have got only the subjective knowledge, only the knowledge of the manifest world. For example, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and etc. They can do PhD in that subject. But the missing part of the education is the knowledge of the self. As Guleria sir told in his speech, the knowledge of the knower. So education is for enlightenment, for the awakening of the full potential of every student. Education is for invincibility, for the harmony and the strength of every nation. Education is for world peace, for progress of the prosperity of our world family. Education is for the certain of a world in which all citizens, all cultures, all countries grow together. How they grow? In mutual enjoyment, respect, and appreciation for the unlimited potential of creativity and intelligence that can unfold through the marvelous expression of their diversity and common humanity. So during the past several decades, however, science has been delving into successively more refined realms of nature functioning, leading to a more integrated understanding of the functioning of the laws of nature. This exploration of the natural law culminated in the discovery by quantum physics of a single unified field. As you already know, Guleria sir has explained about the unified field. Human being can directly experience the unified field in the simplest state of their own awareness through the Maharshi's science and technology of consciousness. And what is that technology? That is the practice of transcendental meditation and transcendental meditation Siddhi program daily. And that should be our, that should be included in our daily life also. On the basis of this, complete knowledge, understanding, and experiences unite in the silent value of consciousness. At the basis of all thought and action, the home of all knowledge, the field of pure consciousness. Thus, it is now possible for reduction to move beyond the parts to offer the wholeness of knowledge. So the unified field is the home of all knowledge. It is also the field of all natural laws. It is also the field of all possibilities, from basis of which one can do anything, can achieve any great goal. And consciousness-based education is the key by which we can create the student or the individual who may start working from the level of unified field. What is the purpose of education actually? Purpose of education, as in the early session, our regional coordinator, C.K. Sharma sir told that, and he also showed a diary, school diary. It is written in that diary also. The purpose of education is to educate or to make a man orderly within himself, for the society, for the nation, and for whole world family. And then the person or individual will be an ideal human being. Knowledge is structured in consciousness. It is written in our logo also. Consciousness, what is consciousness? Consciousness is the home of all knowledge. It having different levels. These levels be enlivened in our awareness by doing regular practice of TM and TM Siddhi program. If education is ignorant about knower, the whole purpose of education is defeated, because the knowledge of knower, knowledge of self, is missing in the modern education. Maharshi speaks a lot about it, and if we discuss about the points whatever Maharshi speaks, you can see I have also shared the screen. And innovation and invitation to introduce the science of creative intelligence in education to unfold the full creative genius of individual consciousness and national life, and thereby spontaneously create coherence in national consciousness and raise the nation to invincibility. It is a very good symptom that all the participants, I have seen since last 3 days, that all the participants are taking part in this training program very interestfully. All they are very enthusiastic to present their appealing point. And teachers also presented the unified field chart script also. So this is good that we all are following MCBE in our schools also. Because if we are not following, then we cannot do script reading or showing the unified field chart in one day. So this is definitely you people are doing, and refining is needed, or this is the requirement of every individual. There is no limit of the knowledge. So definitely we will refine it again. What Maharshi speaks about the invincibility, education and invincibility. So Maharshi speaks, the purpose of education is to culture orderly, comprehensive thinking and produce fully developed, responsible individuals who are able to satisfy their desires. And how they satisfy their desires? Without making any encroachment to the desires of others. For example, you or anyone can, if he is interested to earn wealth, he can earn it, but without making harm to any other's wealth. So this is the way to fulfill the desires without making obstacle to the desires of others. And the desire of the individual will be also the desire of society, desire of nation, and desire of whole world. And this way, an ideal human can create an ideal world, an ideal nation, an ideal society. Nations have not blossomed in their full value because education was incomplete. The science of creative intelligence offers systematic knowledge of how intelligence creates, how the hidden genius of the individual and the nation can be developed by taking awareness to the level of perfect order and all possibilities in transcendental consciousness. Acting from here, one can create anything and can achieve any great goal. Through the regular practice of transcendental meditation and TMCD program, the brain physiology becomes habituated to maintain transcendental consciousness. We must think about this consciousness, transcendental consciousness, because Maharshi says that this is that level of consciousness which provides the gate. Which type of gate? To see inside and to see outside. So transcendental consciousness, transcendental awareness is the most profound and important awareness for a person who is doing TM and TM Siddhi program daily. The state of least excitation and simplest form of awareness, this is transcendental awareness. Thinking from the spontaneously, most orderly and powerful leading to evolutionary action and mistake-free life as behave an educated man and society. By providing all educators with the profound knowledge of intelligence itself, which is the common basis of all knowledge and action, and how to apply this knowledge of creative intelligence to their own discipline, the science of creative intelligence can bring fulfillment to the aspiration of all branches of knowledge and success to all area of life in society. Maharshi also speaks that this course, Maharshi Consciousness Based Education System, or SBE, this course develops the unified field in the awareness of the learners, or we can say by doing regular practice of TM and TMCD program, one can establish unified field in his or her own awareness, and the knowledge of the different disciplines will emerge from that level of consciousness. This knowledge of the infinite potential of life will reach not only students, but adults, professionals, and retired people as well. Education is responsible for maintaining a good quality of life and progress in every area. Problems occur when individuals have not been educated to gain the cooperation of the law of nature. When one acts spontaneously in accord with the natural law, one will not create problems for oneself or others too. And then the administration of society will be simple and effective. One thing I want to add here. why we talk about natural law. You have ever seen natural laws never make any mistake. For example, the change of season after season, they come definitely in an order. Change of day and night, revolution of the planets around its system. For example, our planet around the solar system. Everywhere there is mistake-free system. There is no chance of mistake. That's why everywhere we talk about the natural law. If we are according to the natural law, then we will live a blissful life without making any mistake, or we can say this will be a mistake-free life. Not only for an individual, it will be mistake-free for society, mistake-free for nation. And in this way, the nation will be invincible. Not only the nation, whole world will be invincible. There will be no fear. Fearless society, fearless nation, fearless world can be created if the educators are educating their students by the knowledge of Maharishi consciousness-based education. By introducing the science of creative intelligence into all areas of education, the inner genius of the individual will be developed fully, and that will develop the full creativity of the national life. Every country will enjoy support of nature, affluence, real freedom, self-sufficiency, and that is called invincibility. When individual is self-sufficient for everything, every way, in every area, every aspect of life, then the person or individual is called invincible. This will be the pride of education, educators and students in all countries in the generation. So if we synthesize this, then in a short way, we can say, by fully developing the hidden genius of the individual, Maharishi Ji's science of creative intelligence fulfills the ultimate goal of education, to raise the nation to its full potential, in which it is completely independent or self-sufficient and invincible. A society of fully developed people who are full of vitality and strength and able to achieve all they want without making mistakes. It will be very naturally, spontaneously, naturally creates an invincible nation. So this was for the today's topic, education and invincibility. Now I request to Sharma sir, if we want or we call some appealing point for the participants, as we have earlier discussed. C.K. Sharma sir.
Ji, let you appealing point. Let you continue for the appealing point.
Sir, please. If anyone, if you please announce the school or name, whatever the system to call the appealing points.
Let you continue. Saksham Bhandari, call the school, name of the school.
Myself,
सक्षम भंडारी इंदौर से सर, सक्षम भंडारी इंदौर से। ज्ञानम चेतनायाम निहितम। महर्षि जी कहते हैं, महर्षि जी ने कहा है कि हम कितनी भी शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं, साइंस की, फिजिक्स की, मैथ्स की, ये सब बेरोजगारी बढ़ा रही है। इससे चेतना, ज्ञान में चेतना नहीं आ रही है, बल्कि ये सिर्फ बेरोजगारों की लाइन में लगना है। जबकि सच्ची शिक्षा जो महर्षि जी ने बताई है, चेतना विज्ञान, जो चेतना विज्ञान है वो हमें पूरे ब्रह्मांड को टच कराता है, पूरे ब्रह्मांड के दर्शन कराता है। इसलिए वास्तविक शिक्षा जो है वो ज्ञान चेतना में निहित है। ज्ञानम चेतनायाम निहितम। ज्ञान जो है वो चेतना में निहित है। बाकी जो भी शिक्षा है वो पूरे ब्रह्मांड में केवल बेरोजगारी बढ़ा रही है, बेरोजगारी की लाइन में लगा रही है और कोई नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है। इसलिए महर्षि जी ने ज्ञान, चेतना रूपी ज्ञान को अधिक बल दिया है। और वो ये कहते हैं कि चेतना रूपी ज्ञान एक ऐसा ज्ञान है कि इससे आप देवताओं को भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो कि भाई कुबेर ये करो, इंद्र ये करो। इस तरह सबसे बड़ा ज्ञान चेतना में निहित है। जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि।
गुड भंडारी जी, वेरी फैंटास्टिक अपीलिंग पॉइंट। ज्ञानम चेतनायाम निहितम। knowledge is structured in consciousness. So, any other teacher,
Sir,
any other school?
from
Please.
MC Bhopal. MC
Ma'am,
Bhopal,
your
sir.
voice is not
जी
clear.
जी जी continue.
Everything in nature takes place in a mistake-free order. And by TM, we can establish unified field in our own awareness. So these are the two most appealing points for me today.
Good. So by doing regular practice of TM and TM Siddhi program, I mean to establish our settler level of awareness in our own awareness. And by achieving those levels, we can do anything and we can achieve any great goal. And this was missing in the modern education. Very good, madam. Good.
हिंदी में भी समझाते जाइए सर धीरे, तो कल भी मैंने निवेदन किया था थोड़ा
वो
बीच बीच में हिंदी।
मैडम ने जो कहा
महर्षि विद्या मंदिर सपना, मनीषा लोलो.
yes
Appealing point is purpose of education is to make a man orderly within himself, for society, and for whole world.
very good this is
Gurudev,
very
sir.
good quotation also. It is written in our school diary also. Very good, madam.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव
जय
सर.
गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर. मैं इंदौर राउत महर्षि विद्या मंदिर वन से बोल रही हूँ. महर्षि जी के जो टीएम सिद्धि और ये प्रोग्राम है, इससे अगर हम लगातार अभ्यास करते हैं तो हमारे जो सोचने की क्षमता है वो बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है और हम कभी गलतियां नहीं करते हैं. इस तरह से हम अपने समाज को अच्छे से उन्नति की ओर आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं.
Yes, we can live blissful and mistake free life by enlivening our awareness level of awareness. So Sarma sir, now should we start the next topic?
Yes sir.
Sir, any other teacher is also
Myself, G.S. Yadav from MBM Patna.
Oh, good. Yes, Yadav sir.
At Invincibility School, students enjoy direct experience and intellectual study of the transcendental consciousness, the feel of the student full potential.
Good.
Jai.
Yes. When
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, madam. Jai Gurudev.
Sir, I am from MVM Riva.
Yes, madam.
Sir, the most appealing point which I see that transcendental meditation provides the gate to see inside and outside. मीन्स ये जो स्ट्रेस फ्री एनवायरनमेंट हमें ट्रांसेंडेंटल मेडिटेशन से मिलता है सर, ये मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अपीलिंग पॉइंट लगा.
वेरी गुड मैडम, वेरी गुड, वेरी फैंटास्टिक एंड वेरी प्रोफाउंड अपीलिंग पॉइंट यू रेज हियर.
थैंक यू सर सो मच सर समझाने के लिए. सर
ट्रांसेंडेंटल
सर ये हम लोगों को पहली बार है जब हमने ये कोर्स अटेंड किया है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है पहली बार कि मैं टीचर से मतलब कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, सबको देख रहे हैं.
हाँ, हमारे ध्यान टीचर्स हमेशा ये बताते होंगे आप लोगों को. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
ये ज्ञान बहुत अनबाउंडेड है. महर्षि का ज्ञान कोई भी इसमें अपने आप को परफेक्ट नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन हाँ,
जय गुरुदेव सर.
फॉलो करके बहुत सारी चीजों को फुलफिल कर सकते हैं. यस.
जय गुरुदेव सर. सर माई सेल्फ, हेलो.
जय गुरुदेव.
Jai Gurudev sir. Myself Rachna Jain sir. I am from Sagar, and sir we always talk about natural law. So because it never make any mistake, and we can take the example of season, day-night system, planets. Means nature is a mistake-free system, and if we will follow the natural law, so we can also live the mistake-free life. We can make our nation also mistake free, and even whole world we can make mistake free and fearless. Thank you sir.
So thank you Sarma sir. Should we now go for the next topic?
Now you begin the next topic, and most of the appealing point which would be left, and the appealing point of the recently started program, it would be taken all together.
Yeah. Thank you.
Gurudev sir.
So very good appealing points came today, and I really very happy to listen these points. As the teachers,
Sir, myself is Renu Patam.
Jai Gurudev,
please.
sir. Sir, my
Hello.
today's appealing point is knowledge is for enlightenment of students, society, world peace.
Good. Yes,
Jai
madam.
Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. So now let me start the next topic, because we all are bound with the time also. So thank you all those for presenting their appealing points. One thing which I want to draw in your attention, please, through these appealing points, definitely we all want to know the knowledge more and more. There is only the way, only the means, and only the interest is to do regular practice of transcendental meditation and transcendental meditation siddhi program. As you all say that we work according to natural laws, and how we work according to natural laws, because as you know, unified field is the home of all knowledge and also the field of all natural laws. Means all natural laws are established in the unified field. If we connect with the unified field, then definitely we will be ever lively with the natural laws. And how we can be connect with the unified field? For the connection with the unified field, as you from the first day, from the beginning of this program, we are in every, I mean to say, appealing point. We are appealing for the transcendental meditation and transcendental meditation siddhi program. So if we are practicing daily, at least twice, this program, TM and TM Siddhi program, definitely we can enliven this field. Which field? Unified field, the field of natural laws, in our own awareness. And we will be lively with this field forever. And the spontaneously, our life, our action, our behavior will be very much mistake-free and blissful also, spontaneously, without making any effort for that, because you are lively with the unified field. So this was the key of whole session or whole course of MCPE. Now we are entering to the next topic, and the topic is 10 principles of ideal communication and behavior. This is very fantastic and very good topic, having a great importance in the life of we all, as an educator, as a teacher, as a student also. Because आपने एक कहावत सुनी होगी, बातन हाथी पाइए बातन हाथी पाओ. मीन्स आपका बिहेवियर जैसा होगा, आप जैसा बोलेंगे, वैसा ही रिएक्शन आपको सामने से मिलेगा. इसलिए इस टॉपिक को बहुत ध्यान से सभी लोग सुनेंगे भी और चिंतन भी करेंगे. बिकॉज आइडियल communication and behavior makes heights to a man, brings heights to an individual. So Maharshi Mahesh Yogi ji brought a good system of education, which we can say the perfect system of education. In ideal communication and behavior principles, the first principle is teacher should teach by the examples, because teachers are the role models of the student. Ever you have seen many times students are very much, or student show very much respect towards some teachers, even more than their guardians or parents. You know why? Because that student or that particular student feel more familiar with that teacher, and he recognize the teacher as a role model of him. So teacher should be very decent, decent in talking, decent in behavior, decent in dress up, and decent in teaching also. He should have high level of knowledge, or he should teach in high quality or high quality of teaching, because teachers are the role model of the student. People are influenced by what we are. हम जो कुछ भी हैं उससे लोग प्रभावित होते हैं. What we radiate, हम क्या रेडिएट करते हैं, क्या लोगों को दे पाते हैं, उससे भी लोग प्रभावित होते हैं. This has great appeal than what we say. और ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा मायने रखती है कि हम क्या बोलते हैं, क्या कहते हैं. The most effective teacher embody the teaching they give out. Whatsoever a great man does, very same is also done by the other man, because they think that great man is the role model of them. Whatever the standard he sets, the bird follows it. These are the birds of Maharshi Mahesh Yogi ji. Since students are the reflection of the teachers, this is very great quotation. Students are the reflection of the teachers. Means we ever read in the books, we ever listen from the great persons that this is the student of that teacher. Means along with the work of the student, the activity or education given by his or her teacher is also connected. If a student is doing good, the work of teacher is recognized as good. And if a student is doing something else, then also. So, student is called the reflection of the teacher. The elders make or unmake the coming generation. घर के बड़े बुजुर्ग जैसा व्यवहार करेंगे, वैसे ही आने वाली जनरेशन भी बनेगी या बिहेवियर में देखने को मिलेगी. It is up to the teacher how they send the student home with what level of awakening. A teacher should use the most refined language. I repeat it, most refined language means we must talk with the students with a standard language, not in local or slang language. So teacher should use the most refined language, then student will be inspired to do the same. और तभी बच्चे जो है, आपके स्टूडेंट जो हैं, ऐसा करने के लिए आपसे प्रेरित होंगे, इंस्पायर्ड होंगे. As a teacher, we project steadiness, stability and confidence when we are teaching. Established in inner fullness, we are unmoved by the student. Expressions of appreciation or criticism of us focus on the knowledge and on the undeveloped potentiality of the student. What students are doing, you have to focus only his good qualities. You have to focus to develop his potential. The teacher faces every situation with calm, cool, and collective mind, so that his or her creativity is always lively. When the head is cool, the heart is born, then the body is vital. Instead of being exhausted by their performance, consciousness-based teachers gain joy and energy by developing the ability to fully integrate silence and dynamism. So here the point again I want to draw in your attention that when we are established in the settler level of awareness, and from that basis, if we do activity, for example, if we are teacher and we teach, then we will teach spontaneously in the ideal way, and our teaching will be ideal. and our activity will be role model for the students. The art of the teacher is to establish one's awareness in silence and then teach. एक टीचर की सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी होती है कि सबसे पहले आप साइलेंस एस्टेब्लिश करें और फिर उसमें फिर टीचिंग करें। और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज एक और भी है, एक श्लोक मुझे याद आ गया यहाँ पर संस्कृत का, किम वास संयम ना विचारणीयम। शायद संस्कृत के भी हमारे विद्वान टीचर लोग जुड़े होंगे, वो इस चीज को समझ पाएंगे। किम वास संयम ना विचारणीयम वासः प्रधानम खलु योग्यताया पीताम्बरम वीक्ष ददौ स्वकन्या दिगंबरम वीक्ष विषम समुद्र। इसका सेंस ये है कि वस्त्रों में भी प्रधानता होती है और वस्त्रों की प्रधानता महत्व रखती है, और वस्त्रों की प्रधानता के कारण से पीताम्बरधारी भगवान विष्णु को देख करके समुद्र ने अपनी कन्या दे दी और दिगंबर भगवान शिव को विष दे दिया था। तो इसलिए द टीचर our dress should be simple, very dignified. Our dress should be very simple, dignified, graceful, of good quality, suitable for the dignity of supreme knowledge. We should look neat and clean and honorable. We dress as the most responsible people in the society dress. So, teacher should have a very gentle dress when he is entering in the class or going to teach to the students or wherever he is. Because as earlier we discussed, teacher is the role model for the students. Now principle 2. Participants, you may please also see all these points on the screen. I have already shared to you. The teacher, second point is, or second principle of ideal communication and behavior is, the teacher expresses discriminating appreciation for each student, strengths in front of the other students as class progresses. आप भली भांति जानते हैं, जब आप क्लास में जाते हैं, there is not only a single student, many students having many minds, having many cultures are in a same class, and teacher has to teach to all the students. So there must not be any partiality in the behavior of the teacher, or we can say student must not feel any partiality in the behavior of the teacher. A good teacher will appreciate the good quality of each student and express it to them. Don't go for the mistakes first. First, you must see the good quality of the student. For example, a student is coming with handout to the teacher, and teacher evaluating the work of the student. And definitely, teacher will find some mistakes. But first, what the teacher should do? Teacher should appreciate for the good lines of that work. And then the teacher may say, yes, my dear student, you have to bring little improvement in this also, this also, this also. This thing you did very good. This diagram you draw very well. So this way, what the teacher will do at that time, at the same time when the teacher is teaching, he will also appreciate the student to do much better for the next time. And students' interest in that subject or that topic and also for that class will gradually increase. And one day will come when you will fulfill with your teaching, you will find that whatever you want in your student, they got it. So by doing this, I mean to say by appreciating the good qualities of the student, we can proceed in the teaching. We must always show appreciation. then the student will feel encouraged and feel we are at home with what we are saying. In a class of students, we make sure we appreciate some specific qualities in each of the students. As the opportunity arises, we don't favor some students over there, over others. For example, a teacher is going in the class. Definitely, if one period is daily in one class and you selected few students only, yes, you are also calling them by name always, or every time you are asking them that you did very well, you did very good work. So this way other students will not feel good. In fact, the teacher should have equal eyes all over the class, and each and every student should feel very familiar with the teacher in the class. In a class of students, we make sure we appreciate some specific quality in each of the student. As the opportunity arises, we don't favor some student over other. This point you please remember. As a teacher, this is very important point. Now the third principle of the ideal communication and behavior, as you can see on the screen also. When students need improvement, we don't criticize, we focus on what need to be improved, not on the weak features. We continue to guide them every day to high levels of knowledge and competence. This is how we help our student improve. It means in every class, why students are there? Students are there to improve themselves, either in the subject, either in the consciousness knowledge, or either in the behavior also. So now this is the duty of the teacher to not to criticize or focus on the faults only. He or she should focus on the improvement, not bring out the weak features only, but continue to guide the student to improve all such things which you feel that this particular thing is weak in that particular student. We bring out the strengths of the students and their potential for progress and not focus on their weakness, past failures or suffering in their life. For example, जब टीचर क्लास में जाता है, किसी एक बच्चे से अगर कभी पास्ट में भी कोई मिस्टेक हुई है और all the time we are recalling that mistake in the class, हम कहते हैं बच्चे से, अच्छा तुम वही बच्चे हो जिसने कल वो ऐसा काम किया था. We should not do like that. From the next day, we should start with new topic, with new improvement, and with new help to the students. The way to uplift a man is first to remind him of the glorious aspect of his character, and so gain a sympathetic response. The second step is to point out at once some delicate features in the situation. We are responsible to point out how students can improve without criticizing them, guiding them with cool head and warm heart to higher values of perception, thinking, intellect, feelings, and performance. Mean to say that students should feel very familiar with the teacher when he is getting knowledge from the teacher. And this is the responsibility of the teacher, that without making any criticism, how the teacher has to improve to the students or make a fault-free student, mistake-free student. The fourth law, the fourth principle of the ideal communication and behavior, the teacher uses only life nursing, uplifting examples and illustration when discussing anything with the students and ask that they do the same. This is very important point, and very I mean to say often we go through this point. For example, when a teacher is going in the class or coming in the class, and for any mistake of the student, he start to criticize him. अरे तुम बड़े पुअर हो, तुम बड़े शरारती हो, इस तरह की बातें अगर उस करता है क्लास में बच्चे से, तो ये बातें एमसीबी कोर्स के अंतर्गत नहीं है। हमें हमेशा एमसीबी कोर्स में क्या करना है, लाइफ नर्सिंग कमेंट देना है। ओ दैट्स वेरी नाइस बट यू नीड लिटिल इंप्रूवमेंट इन दैट। मतलब आपने ये बहुत, भले आपको दिख रहा है कि उसमें मिस्टेक है, लेकिन उसकी मिस्टेक को पहले पॉइंट आउट ना करके पहले उसके गुड करेक्टर को पॉइंट आउट करना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक ड्राइंग आपने किसी बच्चे को दी है और उसने ड्रॉ किया है, आपने देखा कि उस ड्राइंग में उसने उसकी ड्रेस अच्छी नहीं बनाई है, तो जो चीजें उसमें अच्छी ड्रॉ की हैं पहले उसका एप्रिसिएशन कीजिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you colored the hair of this photo very well. You selected this color for the shoes is very good. अब आप वहां पर जाइए जहां पर आपको लगता है कि बच्चे के लिए इम्प्रूवमेंट जरूरी है, एंड you can say you need little improvement here also in the dress, whatever the picture having the dress, you can say like that. Means life nursing. Don't say that you are duffer, you are poor, not like that. Uplifting examples and illustrations when discussing anything with the student. For example, if you are giving example from the history, so don't give any example from the battles or cruelty. You always give examples by listening which the individual feel happiness, not sorrowness or sadness. Also, if you are calling the news cuttings, as we all are in the practice to call the news cuttings, daily news cuttings or daily news to the students, then also say to the student that bring positive news on. There must not be any place for the negativeness in the class. What we see, we become. What we put our attention on grows stronger in our life. हम जो कुछ भी देखेंगे वैसे ही हो जाएंगे। जिस चीज में हमारा ज्यादा फोकस होगा, ज्यादा अटेंशन होगा, वही चीज हमारी लाइफ में स्ट्रॉन्गर होती जाएगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कई बार ये बात आती है कि इंटरेस्ट फॉर द मेडिटेशन, मेडिटेशन शुड बी एम्बेडेड विद अस, विद आवर लाइफ. दिस इज नॉट द मैटर ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई भी बच्चा जब स्कूल पढ़ने के लिए जाता है तो कई बार वो डिसइंटरेस्ट शो करता है. आपका बच्चा हो, किसी भी गार्जियन का बच्चा हो, वो डिसइंटरेस्ट शो करता है, मम्मी या पापा मुझे आज स्कूल नहीं जाना. लेकिन फिर भी वी नो व्हाट इज गुड फॉर हिम, और हम क्या करते हैं, उसको कभी कभी या तो उससे अच्छी बातें करके या फोर्सफुली भी हम उसको स्कूल भेजते हैं, और वही बच्चा पढ़ते हुए एक दिन टीचर बन जाता है. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप मैथ टीचर बन गए. अब आपको अपने सब्जेक्ट में, मैथ के सब्जेक्ट में इतना इंटरेस्ट होता है कि एवरीवेयर यू वांट टू बी विद द मैथमेटिक्स. ऐसा क्यों होता है? अब आपका इंटरेस्ट कैसे हो गया? तो फर्स्ट, जैसे अभी बीच में एक अपीलेंट पॉइंट आया था पिछले सेशन में, और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट था ये कि पहले हम जो कुछ एक्टिविटी करते हैं वो हमारी आदत बनती है, और फिर हमारी आदत क्या होती है, फिर हमारी आदत हॉबी बन जाती है. सिमिलरली वी हैव टू डू फॉर द टीएम ऑल्सो, दैट शुड बी आवर हॉबी. अब आप अगर मैथमेटिक्स के टीचर हैं, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर टीचिंग मैथमेटिक्स फॉर द 12th क्लास, 11th क्लास, 9th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स, and anywhere, anytime, any student is coming to you and asks some question from mathematics, you will spontaneously come up with the answer, having not any if and but, and the answer will be very much correct because you are the master of the mathematics. Similar way, if you are the master of the level of awareness, you have established the levels of awareness, you will be very much lively with the awareness, and whenever, wherever you are, spontaneously your activity will be the desire of others, including you, desire of society, desire of nation, desire of world, and there will be a invincible word. Nothing will be to omit out, because your desire is from the level of your consciousness, settler levels of consciousness. So that's why we must make our hobby TM. Doing TM should be our hobby, and we must practice transcendental meditation twice a day, evening and morning. Fifth principle of the ideal communication and behavior: teachers speak harmoniously, speak the sweet truth, speak naturally, and use the most refined language. We have already discussed about the refined language. Here, what is the sweet truth? We must focus on these two words, sweet and truth. आपने एक कहावत सुनी होगी, सत्यम ब्रूयात प्रियम ब्रूयात, ना ब्रूयात अप्रियम सत्यम। मतलब सत्य तो बोलना है, लेकिन कैसा सत्य बोलना है? जो प्रिय हो। स्पीक द स्वीट ट्रुथ, ना ब्रूयात अप्रियम सत्यम। ऐसा सत्य नहीं बोलो जो अप्रिय हो। जैसा कि अभी प्रीवियस पॉइंट में हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, इफ यू वांट टू गिव द एग्जांपल फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री, you must bring the example of the positive events, not of the battles or cruelty, because these things will bring negativity in the student's mind. Speak naturally. Naturally, you can understand what the point is saying here. Naturally means बिना किसी बनावट के, and use the most refined language. हमें वो वर्ड्स यूज करना चाहिए जो एक टीचर की डिग्निटी को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हो, एक टीचर की डिग्निटी को होल्ड करते हो. Must not use the slang language. The speech of the teacher should be harmonious and unified. The goal of speech is to be enliven, bliss in ourselves and our listeners. And the class should be a blissful class under the grace of the divine powers. And consciousness-based class is that class which is always under a blissful environment. The next principle for the ideal communication behavior is teachers encourage the expect, refined and respectful speech from their students. Students should develop the habit of the delightful expression. Teacher help to culture this habit by recognizing and appreciating well-spoken students and gently correcting speech that does not meet the standard of the refinement. Means टीचर को अपने स्टूडेंट्स से हमेशा उसके डिलाइटफुल एक्सप्रेशन के लिए ही तैयार करना चाहिए, उसमें ऐसी हैबिट इनकलकेट करना चाहिए और उसके अच्छे बोलने को एप्रिशिएट भी करना चाहिए और जेंटली करेक्शन भी देना चाहिए. मीन्स वही तरीका अपनाना चाहिए. यू नीड लिटिल इम्प्रूवमेंट हियर, एंड दिस वे the student will be a delightful student, will use delightful language, and behavior will also be very delightful. Whole expression of the students will come under the grace of MCBE teacher, and the student will be an enlightened student. In the sequence, next principle for the ideal communication and behavior is teachers communicate love and respect for their students. As you know, many of you are the science teacher, have a lot of knowledge of science and Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion said that every action has equal and opposite reaction. Means as you sow, so you reap. That's why teachers communicate love and respect for their students. because when we communicate love and respect to the student, the same will also reciprocate from the students. And that is our goal. That is our aim. Being a MCB teacher, it is our goal that our students should show respect and love to others. We guide students toward higher level of performance in a dignified, moderate manner, full of love, respect, forgiveness, and administration. The feeling of the student is very important. When the positive feelings of the students are enlivened, they grasp the idea very easily because they are positive. So, situations we must create or maintain the positiveness lively in the class, so that each and every member, each and every individual who is in the class or who is entering in the class should be with that environment. I mean to say positive environment. And this is the responsibility of the MCBE teacher. Next principle of ideal communication and behavior is the teacher communicate and maintain high standard of academic performance. Teacher should have the heights of the knowledge, so that if he is teaching to his student or her students, he should maintain and he can maintain high standard of the academic performance. Because if you are a good teacher, that reflection must come from your students. Then only you will be recognized as a good teacher. And that reflection, how the reflection will come? Reflection will come from the expressions of the student. For example, if a student is behaving well, then it is your reflection of behavior. If student is having highest or high standard of academic performance, then this is the reflection of your academic quality. I mean to say your teaching and subjectual knowledge. So that's why the teacher communication or teacher should communicate and maintain high standard of academic performance. In our communication with our student individually, they should gain a feeling not only our appreciation but also of how they can improve. The next principle for the ideal communication and behavior is teachers are responsible for the holistic development of their students, not just intellectual development. Therefore, we help create the conditions that will develop disciplined life outside the classroom. Because a disciplined life means always moving towards success. You can easily understand these lines. Holistic development. I mean to say holistic in the sense that is consciousness-based life. Means the students should always be lively with the high level of awareness. Maharshi Ji has always emphasized the importance of routine of student of all ages. The course overview chart, the syllabus, the wholeness, main point chart. All these things you are already in the practice when you are teaching in the class. Before this pandemic outbreak, every teacher was preparing course overview chart. He was also preparing wholeness and main point for the lesson. Also in the practice to connect the SCI principle with each and every topic. And in the end, also they used to read the unified field chart script also. In between some points, some other points also were there. Appreciation, presentation, and celebration. All these things are the point of an or routine of an ideal class, MCB class. So the course overview chart, the syllabus, the wholeness, main point chart, and the daily routine of the class also help establish stability of expectation. So these are the 10 principles of ideal communication and behavior. Now, C.K. Sharma sir. should we finish this with the reading of unified flowchart script?
जी.
Sir. So any teacher has been already recognized for it, decided or previously to teach to read this script?
No, it was given.
Or should I read?
Responsibility was given to the teacher. Kuldeep sir, we have given the one teacher Sagar for review and one teacher for that reading out the script of the unified.
We have 2-3 minutes time perhaps in between, so we may call the appealing point from the teachers also.
You take 2 appealing points and then you read out the script.
Yeah.
And then we sum up.
Yeah. Thank you. So any teacher from the schools who left in the earlier topic?
हमारा MBM थर्ड छूट जाता है सर, MBM थर्ड है हमारा यहाँ
पर। सर अभी तो मैं MBM छतरपुर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि कोई एक टीचर अपीलिंग पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट करे।
हाँ, यस, बिकॉज़
छतरपुर फर्स्ट। हाँ, MBM छतरपुर फर्स्ट। I humble request to the teacher. Anyone please come up with one appealing point.
So I want to mention the one appealing point.
Yes.
Madam, please mention your name first.
Vijeda Ranam from MBM Chhatarpur.
Yes. Yeah.
The area needs to be improved. We should not focus on the weak feature of the child. That point I like the most.
Good. Very good. Anyone? Any other school teacher, please?
Jai Gurudev sir.
Yes, please.
Jai Gurudev sir. Sir, this is Aarti from MBM. This is Aarti from MBM Nagaon. Sir, all your points are appealing. For me, this seminar is live and apt example of ideal teaching. The way our resource persons and our regional director, Mr. C.K. Sharma sir, is guiding us, we are learning the tips of ideal teaching. Our resource person is involving us and appreciating us. C.K. Sharma sir is used to tell our name, which filled us with great zeal, and his appreciation gives us energy. So, in nutshell, this seminar is an example of ideal teaching. Jai Gurudev sir.
Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. So definitely, no doubt, Madam. C.K. Sharma sir having a vast knowledge also about the MCDE course. That's why he is our respected regional coordinator. No doubt. Thank you. So, okay then.
Jai Gurudev sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev sir.
Jai
Sir,
Gurudev.
I only want to say one thing, that today I think one of my teacher has to present the review of yesterday's class.
That's why I was well intimating na. So let you present your review.
Yes, sir. The Mrs. Deepa Agrawal will present the review.
From which school,
Deepa
sir?
Agrawal, madam, this MCE Bhopal.
Right.
MCE Bhopal.
So yesterday's review was remaining, so she was prepared with it.
Yes.
So if Deepa Agrawal, madam, has joined, then please
continue.
So let her start, madam. Yes, please. Deepa Agrawal, madam, please present the review of the day. Review of the last day, perhaps, no?
Yes, yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. Yes, please, proceed.
Is she there? Deepa Agrawal, madam, or Renuka Sinha, any one of them?
Otherwise, if they are
Yes,
not
Deepa
here,
Agrawal,
then
madam is there. I think she will be presenting.
Otherwise, you are also a representative. You present.
Sir, there are two teachers. I think Deepa Agrawal, madam, has joined. She is already
If
joined.
there is any problem, then
And
Sharma
there is
sir.
one more teacher. One more teacher is there.
Yes,
Doesn't
please.
matter.
Any one of the.
Ma'am, Deepa ma'am is present, ma'am. Deepa ma'am has been already joined the class. Deepa
Yes,
ma'am,
so
will you please, are you able to listen to me, ma'am? Deepa ma'am, if you are able to
Yes,
listen
sir.
to me, please carry on the program.
Sir, I am able to listen
Thank
to
you.
yes, madam.
Sir,
please.
but are you?
No problem. C.K. Sharma sir.
Yes,
No
ma'am,
problem.
I am also able to listen. Yes, I am able to listen to you.
No problem.
You
If
left the
teacher
program.
is not
She left the
Deepa
program.
ma'am,
sir.
you
prepared
start
or
with your
present
I
here.
review.
think so.
Let
Actually, ma'am, Deepa ma'am has left the class because due to the network, I think so.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
She has joined.
So
I think
should
I
we
can
proceed
see
for the
her.
unified field chart reading?
She is
Yes,
there.
yes. Next
Yes,
turn.
So this is the
हाँ.
this is the turn of Maharshi Vidya Mandir.
Sorry to
Patna
interrupt you,
teacher.
sir.
चलो मैम
No problem. Yes.
Yes.
जी.
Jai Gurudev.
Am I audible, madam, or not?
Yes, you are audible,
Jai
madam.
Gurudev.
Please continue. You are
Audible,
audible.
Yes,
audible.
sir. Sir, I am presenting MCB course day 3 summary, which was conducted by Shri B.S. Guleria ji, Principal MBM Ratanpur, Bhopal. Today's topic was Unified Field Chart in Classroom and Introduction of 16 Principles of Science of Creative Intelligence. Sir explained the manner in which a proof of unified field chart. Every class with reference to the unified field chart so that it ends with wholeness. This is done to end with the vision of the unity of knowledge within the student's own consciousness. When we repeat this in every class, it becomes a habit, hence in connecting the knower with the known. He also gave a brief introduction of 16 principles of science of creative intelligence. It's a very apt example of each.
Chart रख लीजिए.
These principles are fundamental, universal laws of nature that uphold the growth and progress of everyone and everything. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Good.
Very good. Good, madam.
Thank you, sir.
So this was the review
Now for the unified
for the
field
study
chart.
topic. Now unified field chart is
from MBM.
perhaps this is from MBM Panna.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, definitely.
So
Today we
this is the practical aspect.
Today we
Next,
have
should give the time.
learned about education and incivility and 10 principles of ideal communication and behavior. Whole field of MCB as its source in pure intelligence, the unified field of natural. We directly experience and enliven this field of pure intelligence in our own awareness through our TM and TM Siddhi program, large TM Siddhi program. Large group of individuals practicing together TM and TM Siddhi program, yoga prime, enliven natural law, national collective consciousness, consciousness, which is leading to a more ideal society and heaven on the earth. Jai Gurudev.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I just want to intimate to the participants that from today's program, it means जो आज program हुआ उसकी summary will be presented by the teacher from MVM Damoh. So please, teacher of MVM Damoh, please note down. You have to present the summary of the today's program and unified field chart will be presented by the teachers from MVM Beresia Bhopal. MVM Beresia से जो है teachers वो unified field chart present करेंगे. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir. Jai Gurudev
to all. Thanks for your good support.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Thank you
Jai
for
Gurudev,
taking
sir.
seriously. Thank you
Jai
very much.
Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Yes, sir. Sarma sir कुछ बोल रहे थे आप.
जय गुरुदेव सर, बहुत अच्छा सेशन था आपका और जो आपने जो
Thank you very
टॉपिक
much.
लिया था
Thank you.
10 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ आइडियल कम्युनिकेशन एंड बिहेवियर, तो मुझे लगता है हमारे जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे उनको काफी हेल्पफुल रहेगा. ये बहुत अच्छे एग्जांपल्स आपने
Thank
दिए
you.
इसमें.
Thank you very much. It is
very
great pleasure to me too.
Good
It is
session.
great pleasure to me too, madam. Thanks for appreciation.
थैंक यू सर. जय गुरुदेव.
Welcome.
मैडम एक मिनट सभी लोग रुक जाइएगा.
शर्मा सर कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं. शर्मा सर कुछ डायरेक्शन देना चाह रहे हैं, प्लीज.
जी.
सर शर्मा सर.
First thing is the responsibility being allotted for the review, whatsoever the service summary. The review, so it should be well in the early morning when we join. The teacher should remind that I have been given the duty and she should present he or she should present the review in the beginning.
In the
Then
beginning.
this reading out of the unified field chart, that should be also given when earlier allotted. So you should at least tell your name and then present your unified field chart script, reading out of the unified field chart script. और जो आज का कल देखिएगा आप डायरेक्टर एजुकेशन will join, but he will join at the last portion or last part of the session, and अभी आपने पढ़ा है आइडियल कम्युनिकेशन एंड बिहेवियर, और these are all the every little things they are being are the representations and mirroring out of our ideal communication and behavior. It is well important. और मैं अभी देख रहा था भंडारी जी कह रहे थे कि अनएम्प्लॉयड हो जाता है आदमी अगर चेतना युक्त शिक्षा नहीं लेता है। मैं ये कहूंगा कि चेतना अगर नहीं जागी तो एम्प्लॉयड भी बेकार हो जाता है। मतलब चेतना इज नीडेड फॉर ईच एंड एवरीबॉडी, आइदर बी एम्प्लॉयड और अनएम्प्लॉयड। तो ये हमेशा समझना है कि आइदर बी रीच स्टेट बट चेतना इज रिक्वायर्ड। वी मस्ट बी अ चेतना युक्त मैन for whole life. It is well important because today is the last day of the 2020. It is my kind request to each and every teacher that they must, I think so, introspect. Try to introspect yourself. Either you are possessing, either you do own these kind of 10 traits and characters of ideal communication and behavior. ये आपको जरूर देखना है, क्योंकि these behavior are divided into कि ये behavior आपका कैसा है, what is your performance, then physical fitness आपकी कैसी है, activeness, focused है या नहीं है, then really you are to a man of giving everything to the student or you always give up. आप हमेशा मैदान छोड़ देने वाले टीचर हैं या हमेशा कुछ देने वाले टीचर हैं, आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ देते रहते हैं अपनी संस्था को। तो आज के दिन मैं याद दिलाना चाहूंगा व्हाट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ अ टीचर इज वी मस्ट गेन नॉलेज एंड डोनेट नॉलेज, वी मस्ट गेन एनर्जी एंड डोनेट एनर्जी, we must gain value and must donate value to our organization and also to the students। ये जरूर होना चाहिए। और जो आपने आइडियल कम्युनिकेशन बिहेवियर की बात की, इसमें सभी टीचर से who are being presently connected 50-59 जो भी है, आपका संस्थान ब्रांड होना चाहिए। क्या ये यूनिकनेस ये है हमारे अंदर? ज्यादातर आप बुरा नहीं मानिएगा, हम लोग हर छोटा मोटा बुराई निकालते हैं अपनी संस्थान की कि दिस इज नॉट अ थिंग, वी आर नॉट वेल परफेक्ट फॉर दिस एंड दिस। हमारी संस्था में खेल का मैदान नहीं है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, बट वी नेवर से कि हमें इसको ब्रांड बनाना है। एनी हाउ वी मेक द थिंग्स फुलफिल्ड, और हमको इसको ब्रांड बनाना है, नंबर 1 ब्रांड इन द कंट्री। 200 स्कूल्स है हमारे, मोर देन 165। मेरा काइंड रिक्वेस्ट है जब हम पढ़ते हैं, वी मस्ट मेक आवर स्कूल्स वी आर वेल लोकेटेड और एग्जिस्टेड इन एवरी नूक एंड कॉर्नर। तो हमको चाहे हम पन्ना में हो, छतरपुर में हो, खरगोन में हो, भोपाल में हो, जबलपुर में हो, एनीवेयर, नौगांव में हो, कहीं पर भी हो, but we must be a brand. A brand means representing the certain unique quality or value. हमारी कुछ स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू होना चाहिए, कोई न्यूज नहीं है। अभी भी साउंड आ रहा है बहुत ज्यादा। तो मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि लेट वी वेल प्रे, लेट वी आई थिंक सो वर्शिप, लेट वी विश कि हमें वी शुड डेवलप आवर विजडम, हमारा विजडम डेवलप होना चाहिए। We can well achieve anything, wealth, health, जो भी अचीव कर सकते हैं by regular hard work, अच्छा कैरियर बना सकते हैं, but we cannot achieve wisdom either we reach to the higher state। आप किसी भी स्टेट में चले जाइए, विजडम नहीं मिलता, ये आप निश्चित मानिएगा, क्योंकि आप बड़े बड़े लोगों से आप लोग भी मिलते रहते हैं। विजडम मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा ये डिपेंड करता है, and we are lucky that we are in the organization who are offering the 200% knowledge कि how can we maintain, I think so, the 200% life। इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा आपसे ये भी कहना चाहूंगा कि इसीलिए अपने स्कूल का एटमॉस्फियर, चाहे स्कूल कैसा भी हो, either be strength of 200, either be strength of 3000, 2500, बहुत अच्छा कल्चर और एटमॉस्फियर रखना चाहिए। बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर पेइंग द लिप सर्विसेज, जब हम पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ाते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं कि ये बिहेवियर होना चाहिए, बट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में वास्तव में हमारे स्कूल का एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत अच्छे कल्चर का है। दिस इज टू बी वर इंट्रोस्पेक्टेड। और मेरा काइंड रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम बहुत बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, अच्छे ज्ञान देने वाला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, वी मस्ट बिल्ड अप अ बिग ब्रांड ऑफ वैल्यूज, एक वैल्यू भरा, गुडनेस का, हैप्पीनेस भरा, मतलब स्कूल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। आप लोग बोलते हैं ना इनविंसिबल स्कूल, क्या होता है? अरे कोई ऐसा शील्ड नहीं लग जाता हमारे चरण आर्मर कि तीर नहीं आएगा अंदर। दैट आर्मर मींस द आर्मर ऑफ गुडनेस, जिसके अंदर क्या होता है? कोऑपरेशन होता है, लव होता है, हैप्पीनेस होता है, अपलिफ्टमेंट होता है, मतलब आगे बढ़ने का, प्रसन्नता का होता है। उसमें कोई फालतू चीजें नहीं होती। दैट इज अ इनविंसिबिलिटी। हम लोग सोचते हैं बड़ा बड़ा लेक्चर जो इनविंसिबिलिटी करते हैं, बट वी व्हेन गो टू द स्कूल, हमें वो इनविंसिबिलिटी कल्चर और बिहेवियर में दिखाई नहीं देता। हमारे पर्सनालिटी बिहेवियर में आइडियल कम्युनिकेशन, जब हम अभी पर्सनालिटी की सर बात कर रहे थे, लव रिस्पेक्ट की सर बात कर रहे थे, सर हायर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ एकेडमिक, हायर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ बिहेवियर की सर बात कर रहे थे, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट सर ने हमको बताया। लेकिन जब हम रियल में जब जाते हैं तो हमारे पास इफ्स एंड बट्स बहुत होता है। तो मैं ये निवेदन करना चाहूंगा, रेडी टू गिव, मतलब आप सेक्रीफाइस, रेडी टू डोनेट नॉलेज, एनर्जी, वैल्यूज, इसको देने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहिए। डोंट रेडी टू गिव अप कि ये नहीं, वो नहीं, ये नहीं। और एक टीम मिलकर हम सभी, मैं हूं चाहे आप हो, हम सब एक टीचर हैं और अपने स्कूल को एक ब्रांड बनाए, ब्रांड ऑफ द वैल्यूज। शायद यही हम सब सभी सोचते हैं। तो मैं आप नए साल की सभी प्रिंसिपल्स को और सभी टीचर को बहुत बधाई देना चाहूंगा और विश करूंगा कि सबको विजडम मिले। और अगर विजडम मिलेगा तो जो आप चाहते हैं, हेल्थ, वेल्थ, हर चीज दुनिया की, हमसे प्रार्थना है आप सभी लोगों को बहुत प्रसन्नता मिले, सभी को बहुत विजडम मिले।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
गुलेरिया सर कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Yes.
गुलेरिया सर प्लीज। गुलेरिया सर।
यस यस।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
हाँ, जय गुरुदेव। जय गुरुदेव। आई एम ऑडिबल?
यस यस यस
यस सर।
काफी कुछ कवर कर दिया है। मेरा यही है कि जब कभी ये सेशन हो, कोई एक स्पीकर बोल रहा हो तो म्यूट हो जाए सभी, तो उसमें और अच्छा रहेगा। एक सजेशन है सर, दैट इज फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजर, जो कंपीलर है, कि अगर वो मॉर्निंग में ही एक स्लाइड बना के जो असाइनमेंट है वो फ्लोट कर दे और वो पेस्टेड रहे जब तक सेशन स्टार्ट नहीं होता, कि किसको आज ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है, यूनिफाइड फील्ड चार्ट।
ओके सर,
वो माइंड में फीडेड रहेगा जिसको ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है, तो बार बार बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा और वो स्किप नहीं करेगा, मीटिंग नहीं छोड़ेगा।
थैंक यू।
So this is a suggestion, and it is nice, and I appreciate Dikshit sir, and also the effort. आपने सभी कुछ कवर कर दिया है, तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहना है। नववर्ष की शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू। जय गुरुदेव।
आप में से कोई कहना चाहता है? निमकर मैडम, रेनू मैडम।
सर मैंने बोल दिया। एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ यू सर, सबको।
थैंक यू।
मैं सबके सेशन को देख देख के थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख रही हूँ।
नहीं, everybody is a learner. Everybody is a learner. Dikshit sir, you did a very wonderful job.
थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस ले रही हूँ
Thank you sir, thank you very much.
आपके जैसा अच्छा बना सकूँ।
नहीं, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ऑल द बेस्ट। नए साल की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सभी को।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय गुरुदेव। जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव। थैंक यू।